Hi there, Eric from Clean Water Pro here. Today we're at a pond for a local homeowner, taking care of this pond for him. We're performing maintenance and treatments to make sure that this pond doesn't get any excessive LHA growth, weed growth, odor problems, muck problems, you name it. We were concerned about the health and safety of this water for the local wildlife that are coming to use it for drinking water or other activities, as well as for the people and pets that use this water body, to make sure that it's safe and healthy all summer long. So what we did is we came in, we performed an assessment, we looked at all the water chemistry, we looked at the weeds, the invertebrates, you name it, and we got a full diagnosis of what's going on in this water, and then we came up with a customized treatment plan that we can offer a satisfaction guarantee when we do the maintenance to make sure that it's safe and healthy for all summer long with the use of beneficial bacteria and aeration. We'll get this job done only when you visit cleanwaterpro.ca.